Hello friends. In GNS3 we can use Palo Alto firewalls to learn in a virtual environment. So in this video we will discuss that how we can install Palo Alto Image in GNS3. So to install Palo Alto Image you need to open GNS3 application in your system. You need to have a Palo Alto VM image to install into GNS3. If you have not Palo Alto VM image then download from internet. Or you can find link in description in this video. Also note that minimum 4 GB of dedicated RAM is required to run Palo Alto with GNS3. So you need minimum 8 GB of RAM in your system to run Palo Alto. So wait till GNS3 VM start. Once GNS3 VM start, go to the GNS3 application and click on Appliance tab. Now click on New Template. Once you click on New Template, a new wizard will be open. So now you have to select first option, which is Install an appliance from the GNS3 server, and click Next. Now select Palo Alto VM from Firewall option shown in video. You can also search Palo Alto in Filter option. Once you find Palo Alto VM, then select and proceed to Next. A new dialog box will be open. So select second option, install the appliance on the GNS3 VM and proceed next. On next page click on Next. So next dialog option shows multiple numbers of PAN VM with multiple version. You need to select version that you have downloaded. Select the file version and check on Allow Custom Files and now click on Import to import appliance. Please note that I am using QCOW2 images in this video. If you have VMDK file, then you need to select file version with VMDK to import. This will take time to import, so wait till it imported successfully. Okay. Once the appliance is successfully imported, then click on Yes, and next on Finish option to install PAVM. Now you can use imported Palo Alto image in your virtual lab environment. We can also change the icon of appliances. To do so we need to click on Appliance and then Configure Template. In video you can see that minimum RAM required for Palo Alto appliance is 4 GB. OK, to change the icon of the appliance, go to Symbol option and click on Browse. A new dialog box will open. So you can change icon or you can import your own icon. In my case I am import icon stored in my PC. Now you can see that icon has been changed. Now just drag and drop appliance from Appliance tab to Workplace and start the appliance. So Palo Alto VM is now accessible through Telnet. Thanks for watching this video. So kindly subscribe my channel if you like my video. For more information you can visit our website at www.softwareumpire.in.